Welcome to Josna's channel, and this is what I want to say. So I'm so sorry that I was not available for some time. I was traveling and I could not upload few of the videos. And let's start with the review of Chava, my way, my version. So today I'm going to talk to you about the director Utekar, who has done a great job in this movie Chava, which means lion cub. And Sambhaji was very ferocious, a great warrior, and a great strategist like his father Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So I wish that the starting and ending of this movie would have been better. My version says that the initial part of the movie where association of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji would have been shown, and how the father and son duo got along well, and their bonding and their strategies, how he was trained to be the future king. And this would have, people would have loved to see this, and I would have definitely loved to see Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj as a part of this movie initially along with Sambhaji. The next thing is about the warfares. Mr. Utekar has done a great job showing different warfares, and that is the best part of the movie, where Sambhaji's skills, strategies can be noticed. This fight of our kings and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj or Sambhaji was for to make a samrajya. Samrajya is something, a kingdom where a loyal, brave king protects his people, and they enjoy the utmost freedom, protection, peace in the kingdom. So this samrajya was almost covering Delhi in the north, with the defeat of Aurangzeb and Akbar, and in the south till Tanjore. Shivaji Maharaj had reached Tanjore, where there is a Bhavani temple. Their fight was not for religion, but for stopping the Mughal invasions, the foreign invaders, from destruction of our culture, our rich heritage, our resources, our people, especially our women and children. The end should have been more subtle, because everybody knows that Sambhaji had gone through a lot of torture, and because of the betrayal by his own brothers-in-laws, that is Gunoji and Kanoji. So it's the family who betrays, and that's the cause of Sambhaji's defeat. Otherwise, even with less number, Sambhaji's strategies would have definitely worked so well, and he would have won the war. In the initial stages of the movie's release, Marathi actors have revolted that Mr. Utekar would have taken more Marathi actors in the leading role, because there are quite a few good actors in Marathi who would have done the role of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj or Sambhaji. But they should have been involved in the movie, that I would suggest. I also want to suggest this book, that is um, Shriman Yogi by Ranjit Desai, which is available, and this is my personal copy. And I keep reading this book very often, and it is a big book, and this inspires me. It makes my strength strong, even more stronger, and it helps me to be brave and strong. If you happen to get this book, kindly read it. And I'm also going to suggest few more books, which are also historic accounts, but they are great inspirers. So with this, I've come to the conclusion that our kings, they lived for the people, for the country, and for that's what is called as Samrajya. So take care. We'll come back with the next review.